Hello students, welcome to second PUC accountancy class. In this video, I will be dealing with chapter 9, analysis of financial statement. You already studied what is the meaning and significance of financial statement in the previous chapter. I will just mention what is financial statement and then I will move on to analysis of financial statement. So, financial statement, as you studied, it is a formal and basic annual report of any business or any business organizations which represents a statement of profit and loss and another statement called as balance sheet, which represents profitability of the business and financial position of a business. So, now we will see what is analysis of financial statement. So, these statement which represents profitability and the financial position of a firm or any business organization need to be evaluated, critically evaluated. So, in order to find out the profitability, the performance of the business as well as the ability of a business to pay its debt. It can be long term debt or it can be short term debt. So, analysis of financial statements are nothing but critical evaluation of financial information contained or included or recorded in this financial statement, that is statement of profit and loss and balance sheet. First we will discuss what are the objectives of analysis of financial statement. So, the main objective is in order to assess the current profitability and operational efficiency of the business, and the second, if there is any changes takes place in the profitability, operational efficiency of the business or the performance of the business, then we are finding out what is the reasons for these changes, if it might be increased or decreased, or the performance might be increased or decreased, profitability might have increased or decreased. So, we are finding out the different reasons for that. And finally, in order to check the firm's ability to repay its debt, it can be long term debt or it can be short term debt. So, analysis of financial statement is important for various parties. I can also say for the stakeholders like owners of the business, investors of the business, creditors, then tax authorities, public and so on. So, we are using different tools in order to analyze financial statement. So, comparative statement, common size, trend analysis, ratio analysis and cash flow analysis. So, today I will be dealing with these two tools, that is comparative statement and common size statement. So, under comparative statement in this particular tool, we will be preparing statement of profit and loss as well as balance sheet because it contains financial information of a business or a firm. So, under comparative statement, we will be taking financial information of different period of time. Basically, here we take 2 years information, one is present year, another one is previous year. So, present year and previous year's financial information is taken and we are comparing those information, financial information. And here in comparative statement, it is not only about analysis, it is also about interpretation. We are also interpreting results. So, what happened earlier, how it was, the performance of the business, how it was and how it is. In terms of profitability, how much are last year's profit and how much is present year's profit. So, we are comparing financial information of 2 years and we are drawing a meaningful conclusion so that our stakeholders or owners of the business can take a right decision. So, let us start from statement of profit and loss. First, we will prepare statement of profit and loss under comparative statement. So, please check your description box for question. So, we will read and discuss question first. From the following particulars, prepare comparative statement of profit and loss of Nataraj Colours Limited for the year ending 31st March 2017 and 31st March 2018. In the questions, you have given particulars and 2 amount column which represents 2017 and 2018. So, 2018 is a present year and 2017 is a previous year. So, we are comparing financial information given 2017 and 2018. So, in particulars, we have revenue from operation and 2017 it is 3,50,000, 2018 it is 4 lakhs. Other income 2017 5,000, 2018 6,000. Cost of material consumed 1,80,000 and 1,50,000. Employee benefit expenses 24,000 and 30,000. Financial cost 1,200 and 1,200. Depreciation and amortization 2,250 and 2,500. Other expenses 20,000 and 30,000, and finally tax rate 2017 30%, 2018 also 30%. Now first what we should do, first we need to classify or categorize these particulars into income and expenses, because profit and loss statement shows income and expenses of a business. So first we need to classify which are the income and which are the expenses. Revenue from operation, it is an income or revenue for the business, because the revenue earned from the main activities of the business. So it is an income. The next one is other income, again that is also income for the business. If business earns income or revenue from any other source like rent received, commission received, or in any other way. Then you have cost of material consumed, you have used particular material in order to produce certain product. So it is an expense. Employee benefit expenses, giving salary or any benefit to the employees, it is again an expense for the business. Financial cost, paying interest on loan, debenture, so on, again it is an expense. Depreciation and amortization also, charging depreciation is a loss, it is a loss, and amortization on goodwill and other intangible assets. So again it is treated as expense for the business. Other expenses, it can be rent paid or any other expenses. So it is again expenses for the business, and finally we have to pay tax. So this is your statement of profit and loss format. Particulars 33 2017, that is previous year information. 33 2018 to write current year's information, then absolute increase or decrease, and finally percentage of increase or decrease. So the first three column denominated in rupees and the last one in percentage. So first write all the income of the business. First one, revenue from operations. In the question it is given 3,50,000 and 4 lakhs. So revenue from operation, last year it was 3,50,000 and this year it is 4 lakhs. So what we should do, we should compare our financial information. So present year it is 4 lakhs and last year it was 3,50,000. So what happened to your revenue from operation, whether it is increased or decreased. So when you are checking increased or decreased, your present year is base, from present year's amount deduct last year's amount. So 4 lakhs minus 3,50,000. So difference is 50,000. In absolute increase or decrease, write the difference between these two amounts. So when you are writing the difference, present year amount minus last year's amount. So 4 lakh minus 3,50,000, difference is 50,000, and that is positive 50,000, because when you compare your revenue from operation, your revenue from operation is more in this year, present year, that is 50,000 more. So comparatively your performance is good. So your revenue from operation increased from 3,50,000 to 4 lakh. Then in the percentage column, you need to convert this 50,000 into percentage. If at all you are representing this answer or this evaluation in terms of percentage, then how much it is increased. So third column amount divided by first column amount into 100, that is 50,000 divided by 3,50,000 into 100. So please use your calculator and calculate. So it is 14.28571. So you need not write all the digits, the main answer, and you can limit your answer for 2 digits. So first 2 digits is enough, but when you are taking first 2 digits, check the third digit. If it is more than 5, then add 1 to your second digit. So now I will write 14.29. So, instead of 28, because my third digit is 5 and greater than 5, we have to follow this method. So, instead of writing 28, I will write 28. Similarly, another one, other income also there in the question. So, for this revenue, add other income. Other income 5,000 and 6,000. So, last year other income was 5,000 and this year other income is 6,000. Again there is a positive increment of 1,000. The performance is good. The revenue, other income increased this year by 1,000. So, 6,000 minus 5,000, 1,000, and now use that formula and convert this 1,000 into percentage. That is 1,000 divided by 5,000 into 100. So, 20 percentage. 20 percentage. Then after revenue from operation and other income, we can total it. Total it. We can also write A, which represents first total. So, total revenue, total this 3,50,000 plus 5,000, 3,55,000, 4 lakh plus 6,000, 4 lakh 6,000. Then again difference 4 lakh 6,000 minus 3 lakh 55,000 or 50,000 plus 1,000, 51,000. Now again convert 51,000 into percentage. So answer is 14.37. Again you will get the answer of 14.36619. So I told you to take only 2 digits, but check the third digit. If it is greater than 5, then you have to add 1 to your previous digit. So it will become 37. So revenue is over, so income part is over, then write all the expenses. So less expenses. Write all the expenses one by one. The first one is cost of material consumed. Cost of material consumed 1,80,000 and 1,50,000. So difference between this 1,50,000 minus 1,80,000. So I told you present year minus the previous year amount. So 1,50,000 minus 1,80,000. So there is a negative figure. So negative of 30,000. So that means comparatively cost of material consumed. Last year it is 1,80,000 and now it is 1,50,000. So negative of 30,000. Again find out the percentage. That is 16.67, 66 you will get. So 16.67 percentage. Then after cost of material consumed, the next one, employee benefit expense. Employee benefit expenses 24,000 and 30,000. 24,000 and 30,000. So 30,000 minus 24,000. difference is 6,000. So you will get 25%. So after that, financial cost. The third one is financial cost. Financial cost. So 1,200, and in the present year also it is 1,200. So difference between these two is 0 and percentage also 0. The fourth expenses is depreciation and amortization. Last year expenses 2,250 and this year expenses is 2,500, and the difference 2,500 minus 2,250, the difference is 250. Then convert 250 into percentage. 250 divided by 2,250 into 100. So your answer is 11.1111. So as I mentioned, you can keep only 2 digits. So 11.1111 because third digit is less than 5. So don't add anything to second digits. So leave it like that. The next, after that, the next expense is other expenses. Other expenses, and other expenses last year 20,000, this year 30,000. So 30,000 minus 20,000, 10,000, and convert 10,000 into percentage. 10,000 divided by 20,000 into 100. So 50%. So we mentioned all the income and all the expenses. Now total it. Total your expenses. Total your expenses. Total expenses, and you can also name it as B. Total revenues A and total expenses B. So total it, all the expenses. So first column you will get 2,27,450, and second column 2,13,700. Again take the difference, 2,13,700 minus 2,27,450. The difference is 13,750, and add all the expenses right from cost of material consumed till total expenses. So you will get 2,27,450 and 2,13,700, and the difference between these two is 13,750. Find out the difference, and it is a negative figure. 13,750 divided by 2,27,450 into 100. So you get a 6.05. The actual answer is 6.04528. So 6.05%. Then after total expenses, the next one, the third one, calculate profit before tax. Profit before calculating or levying tax, that is A minus B, from your total income minus total expenses. So your first column answer 1,27,550, and your second column 1,92,300. So again take the difference, 1,92,300 minus 1,27,550. So negative, sorry, it's a positive 65%. 4,750 is the difference. So 50.76%. Actual answer is 50.7644. So 50.76. Then from this minus the tax at the rate of 30%. So after finding out profit, so charge tax at 30%. For both the year it is 30%, it is mentioned in the question. So charge 30% on 1,27,550 as well as 1,92,300. So the first column answer 38,265 and the next on 1,92,300 charge 30% tax. That is 57,690. Then the difference between these two 19,425. Again find out the percentage. You will get same answer 50.76%. Then finally find out profit after tax. Profit after tax. So that is profit before tax minus tax from 1,27,550 minus the tax charged 1,27,550 minus 38,265. So 89,285 and here 1,92,300 minus 57,690. It is 1,34,610 and the difference 45,325 and the percentage 50.76. So I can say that company's profitability is good. So you can see last year it was just 89,285 and this year it is 1,34,610. So there is an increment of 45,325 profit. So performance of the company is good. Now we will prepare balance sheet and a comparative statement. So please check your description box for question. So first we will read and discuss. The following are the balance sheet of J Limited as at March 31st, 2016 and 2017. Prepare comparative balance sheet. As you know, balance sheet represents financial position of a business which contains assets and liabilities. So first equity and liabilities. Under equity and liability you have shareholders fund. Shareholders fund broadly classified into share capital and reserves and surplus. And after that you have note number column, then March 31st, 2017 and March 31st, 2016. So first column is present year column and the next column is last year's column. 2016 is last year, 2017 is current year. So under shareholders fund you have share capital. So last year it was 15 lakhs and this year it is 20 lakhs. Reserves and surplus, last year 4 lakhs and this year 3 lakhs. Then you have non-current liabilities, under that you have long term borrowings, last year it was 6 lakh and this year it is 9 lakh. Then current liabilities, under that you have trade payables, last year 2 lakhs and this year 3 lakhs. So liabilities broadly classified into shareholders fund, non-current liability and current liabilities. And then you have assets, under assets you have non-current assets and current assets. Under non-current you have fixed assets, again fixed assets broadly classified into tangible assets and intangible assets. So tangible assets last year 15 lakhs and this year 20 lakhs, intangible last year 6 lakhs and this year 9 lakhs. Current assets, under current assets you have inventories and cash equivalents. So inventories last year 4 lakhs and this year 3 lakhs and cash and cash equivalents last year 2 lakhs and this year 3 lakhs. Then you have given total. So, assets always is equal to liabilities, that is your balance sheet equation, it should be equal. And here in this question everything is given, so you need not separate it or you need not classify it. So, shareholders fund, under that share capital and reserves and surplus is given, non-term non-current liability is mentioned, current liability is mentioned. So, we need to just copy the sum and do the calculation part. Here the same format we are using. So, comparative balance sheet as on, the date is mentioned 2016 and 2017. Then particulars. So, here 2016 and 2017. So, 16 column and 17 column, absolute increase or decrease column and percentage of increase or decrease. The same format we are following. We will start with the first one, that is equity and liability. So, we will start from liability side. And under liability, shareholders fund. So, under shareholders fund, the first one is share capital. Share capital last year 15 lakhs and this year 20 lakhs. So, 20 lakhs minus 15 lakhs, the difference is 5 lakhs. Now, convert this 5 lakh into percentage by using the same formula, absolute increase or decrease divided by first year's figure into 100. So, that is 5 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100. So, use the calculator and calculate 5 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100. So, you get 33.333. So, limit your digits for 2. So, 33.33. Then the second one you have reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus last year 4 lakhs and this year 3 lakhs. So, this year it is only 3 lakhs, last year it was 4 lakhs. So, 3 lakh minus 4 lakhs, so negative of 1 lakh. So, your reserves and surplus decreased, this year it is decreased. So, again convert that 1 lakh into percentage. So, it is 25, negative 25%. Then you have non-current liabilities. Under non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings. Long-term borrowings last year 6 lakh, this year 9 lakhs. So, difference is 3 lakhs. Convert into percentage, 3 lakhs divided by 6 lakh into 100. So, percentage is 50%. Then finally, the third one is current liabilities. Under current liability, we have trade payables. Last year 2 lakhs, this year 3 lakhs. So, difference 3 lakh minus 2 lakh, 1 lakh, difference is 1 lakh, again 1 lakh divided by 2 lakh, into 100. So 50 percentage. So in terms of amount, difference is 1 lakh. In terms of percentage, 50 percentage. Then finally total it. Your liability side is finished. Shareholders fund we recorded, non-current liabilities we recorded, current liabilities also we recorded. Then total it. Total 2016 column 15 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs plus 2 lakhs. It is 27 lakh. Then total second column 20 lakhs, 3 lakhs plus 9 lakh plus 3 lakhs. So it is 35 lakhs. Again take the difference between 8 lakhs. Difference is 8 lakh and convert 8 lakh into percentage. 8 lakh divided by 27 lakh into 100, 29.63, 29.63 percentage. So we finished liabilities. Now we will start with assets. And assets broadly classified into non-current assets and current assets. Under non-current assets, we have fixed assets, so fixed assets classified into tangible and intangible. So tangible assets 15 lakhs and 20 lakhs. Difference is 5 lakhs. Again 5 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100. You get 33.33 percentage. Then intangible asset, intangible assets 6 lakh and 9 lakh. So 9 lakh minus 6 lakh, difference is 3 lakhs. Absolute increase or decrease. So increase of 3 lakhs. Then convert into percentage, 50 percentage. After that, the second one is current assets. Under current assets, you have inventories. Inventories of 4 lakhs and 3 lakhs. So inventory 3 lakhs and 4 lakhs, negative of 1 lakh, and your percentage also negative, negative 25 percentage. Then you have cash and cash equivalents. Cash and cash equivalents 2 lakh and 3 lakh. Difference 1 lakh. And percentage is 50 percentage. So we are done with assets, non-current assets and current assets. So again total asset side also. Now asset total should be equal to liabilities. So when you total 2016, it is 27 lakh. And 35 lakhs. So So, difference 8 lakh, difference 8 lakh and percentage 29.63%. So, we can analyze financial information. So, last year tangible assets, the worth is 15 lakhs, but right now it is 20 lakhs. So, value increased by 5 lakhs in terms of percentage 33.33. This is how we use comparative tool in order to compare financial information of 2 years and to have a meaningful conclusion. So, based on this, owners or stakeholders can take a right decision.